This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening responses in your Google form and sending the data to Sheets because editing charts happens there. Once done, select the exact response range you want visualized, including headers for labels. Make sure the sheet includes timestamps or question columns you need. Then choose Insert and Chart to create a default chart. This gets you a working graphic to modify. This first step ensures you control data scope and prevents later mismatched axes or missing categories. Next, focus on the Chart Editor Setup tab. You can change chart type to bar, line, pie, or others to match your data. You do this because different visuals reveal different insights. Once there, update the data range and toggle use row/column to flip axes, add or remove series to refine comparisons. If responses are counts, use aggregate functions or pivot ranges to group answers. Make sure labels align with the x-axis so viewers read the chart correctly. Finally, polish the chart in Customize. Set colors, fonts, axis titles, and legend position so your message is clear. Once satisfied, export via download or copy chart to reuse in slides or embed images back into the form's description if needed. If the chart looks wrong after edits, refresh the sheet and reselect ranges. Cached settings often cause misalignment. As a troubleshooting tip, recreate the chart from the correct range if errors persist. This clears hidden filters or pivot quirks and restores accurate visuals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.